welcome to Real Chef Curry. Today we are going to talk about Waldorf salad. So let's get to it. Waldorf salad was invented in Waldorf Astoria in New York City. So today we are going to taste a piece of history.
Hi guys! So today we are making Waldorf salad and here are the ingredients for the Waldorf salad. We are going to use 1 apple. We are going to use 1/3 cup of walnuts, 1/4 cup of pecans. We are going to use almost 1/4 cup of raisins, half a lemon juice, some almonds just to garnish, and traditional Waldorf salad has celery in it, but we are going to replace celery with carrots. So this is half a cup of carrots and 1 apple. We are going to use 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, pepper to taste, and also we are going to add at least 1/4 cup of whipped cream just to cut down the tanginess and sourness of mayonnaise and lemon and add a little bit of sweet flavor to it. So what we did is we chopped the carrots into small pieces, and now we are going to chop the apple. Chopped the apples into small pieces and we have put it in the bowl along with the carrots. Now we are going to squeeze half a lemon to the mixture. We are going to add the raisins. We are going to add the pecans and the walnuts. Now we are going to add the mayonnaise, add some pepper, and we are going to mix it. Now we are going to add some whipped cream in it and mix it up. At this point what I do is I normally just take some, I taste a bit to see if I need more whipped cream. I need a little bit more, so I'm going to add some more. I added some more whipped cream in it. Now we are going to chill it for an hour or so and then serve it on a bed of Romano lettuce. Garnish it with little bit of almonds and on top. So our final product is ready. We chilled it in the freeze for 2 hours and we have plated it on a bed of chopped Romano lettuce and garnished it with almond slices. If you want, that is an option. You can always add chilled grapes, or you can add the grapes while making the salad and chill the salad with the grapes. They taste good too. If you like grapes, you can add that.